In this video, I'll be showing you how to earn free MailTag Pro by referring your friends to try MailTag. But first, what is MailTag Pro? MailTag Pro is our premium plan, which allows you to remove the Sent with MailTag watermark from your emails by default. In addition, Pro users can create unlimited ping sequences, see beyond 30 days of data in the MailTag dashboard, and can access many other exclusive features. If you don't want to pay for MailTag Pro, you can refer your friends to join MailTag and receive free Pro credit. For each friend that you refer who adds MailTag to their browser, both you and your friend will receive 1 month of free Pro. To begin referring your friends, simply head to the Get More Pro section of your MailTag dashboard. If you wish to invite your email contacts to join MailTag, simply click the Invite Your Gmail Contacts button, as seen on screen. If you wish to invite a specific individual or multiple individuals, just type the email addresses separated by commas, as seen on screen. Once done, click Send. If you'd simply prefer to upgrade your MailTag account, you can do so in your dashboard's Account section. Just click the Settings tab, as seen on screen, and select the email account that you wish to upgrade. And as a special offer for completing these video tutorials, you can save 20% by using the promo code COOL24 at checkout. We hope you found these videos helpful. If you have questions about anything, please don't hesitate to reach out at any time. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.